Today I'll be doing a maintenance work on the HP Folio 9480m. Already I have removed the battery and the cover for the hard disk, as well as this cover for this part of the motherboard. So the system is very dirty. The I want to clean the fan and the the sink, which is very dirty. So I will be removing the fan and doing maintenance work on it. This is not a repair work. This is to remove this fan and blow out the dust and the debris inside, clean it up, and fix it back. So I just felt I should do a video, tutorial to show you guys how this kind of a thing is done. This is a maintenance work, like I said, not a repair work. The system is fully functioning, just that the fan is filled with too much dust and debris, and that's what I want to remove from the system so that the system can perform optimally. Maintenance work is not repairs. Maintenance is to make the system to perform at its best. It's not that you are trying to repair the system. The system is not broken down. It's still functioning, but dust there is dust in the fan, and that's exactly what I want to do. I want to clean the fan, then I'll put it back so that the system can perform optimally as it should. So the HP Folio laptop has this chassis that covers the motherboard, and partially, I think it partially, okay, this is a placeholder where the battery goes in. So this is a battery. This 9480m. This is a battery that goes in here. So to access the to access this fan, I will have to remove this component. And the beautiful thing about this is that there is so many screws on it, and I will have to remove all the screws, that is pinning this onto the down casing. Use the down casing. So I have to remove this top, and then I'll be able to access the fan, because if I don't remove this top, I can't access the fan. Let me show you how this looks like on this other spare HP Folio. So this is how it looks like. This is actually what I want to remove. This is how it looks like. Okay, that is exactly what is here. So let me remove it. That is the connector for the hard disk. That is the hard disk connector. We need a Allen key to remove some of the screws here. Like I said, this is a maintenance work. This is not repairs. System is not faulty. It's just that there is so much dust on the in the fan, which affects the performance of the system. It does not spoil the system, but then if that dust continues to accumulate like that, it can spoil the system, and that is the reason you see the write up the fan the cooling fan performance is something. It's because of too much dust on the fan. So fixing this should solve that problem. That thing should not show again. I'm hoping it will not show again after the fan has been cleaned. But if it shows again, then it may imply that the fan has to be replaced completely. So the fan, the cooling fan, is attached directly to the processor. This is the processor, and there is enough paste on it. I don't think this has expired. It's not expired. So this is the fan. As you can see, the fan is very dirty. You can see dust is even sticking out. Dust is even sticking out. So it needs thorough cleaning, and I can see some dirt inside, although it's not that much. So what I want to do now is to blow this. I'm going to blow this. I'll also use my brush to clean it. So let me remove this first. Then I will blow it. So let me keep the system here. And let me use my hand brush to clean it. Cooling fan is dirty. Although not that too dirty, but it's dirty, but not all that so bad. It's not really that so bad. So that's basically it. I can't find any physical block of dirt in there, but I've noticed that some of the fins, some of the all the fins, you know, on the fan is kind of joining together. So I'll need to separate that so that the fan will be will be able to circulate the air much easily than what it's doing currently. You can circulate the air much freely. Okay. So let me remove the fan itself. Try to clean this. There's so much dust in the fan. Let me return it back. So much dirt here. So let me put back everything. Starting with the fan. Where is the fan itself? Okay, there is the fan. Let me apply a bit of paste. This. And that is me mounting the heat sink. I'm putting back the heat sink. So that is basically it. I have you know cleaned the fan, cleaned the heat sink. I don't want to test, but basically the job is done, and that is just how you would clean the fan and the heat sink on HP Folio 9480m, and the same applies to HP Folio 9470m. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.